Hi Sunshine, welcome back to our channel. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are MAD.CURLS. And we are super excited to be filming this video today. We are bringing back the
March Madness.
MAD.CURLS March Madness. Now, if you have been around since like 2018-ish, we did it in 2018.
We did.
We did not do it in 2019, but now we are here to do it again in 2020. Basically, what MAD.CURLS March Madness is, it's just a month full of giveaways on our social medias, YouTube and Instagram. Every Friday, a brand will sponsor a giveaway with us, and we are allowed to pick 2 winners.
Yep.
One from YouTube, one from Instagram, and we're just collabing with our favorite brands and giving away products. So we are doing that this month. MAD.CURLS March Madness, because we are MAD.CURLS.
I know. We
Like
love that
word.
the first year we did it because it was like a play on like the MAD.CURLS name, like the Madness and all that. Even though if you're new to the channel, it really wasn't about like a madness. It really was the acronym for Mother and Daughter Curl.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's still cute and fun. So here we are.
So the first brand up, I sent out emails and emails and emails to all our favorite brands and like see which ones came rolling back in. Like, yeah, we want to be a part. And so the first one that came through, we're so excited that they were on board, was Nature's Little Secret, because we do mention them all the time on this channel. We love Nature's Little Secret. So they were like, yeah, we want to be a part of the March Madness. So yeah. So we each have like different products that are like our favorite from Nature's Little Secret. So we did this by like bundles. So there's a way to win on YouTube. There'll be a YouTube winner we will pick from YouTube, and we will pick from Instagram.
Right.
So do we say my bundle was YouTube, or does you want your bundle to be YouTube?
It doesn't matter. Like,
doesn't matter.
Because you said I had Instagram, and I'm like, oh, that's weird, because, you know, I'm never really on Instagram.
Yeah,
But
okay.
It doesn't matter. There's just 2 different bundles.
Yeah, and we just needed a way to differentiate, so it's YouTube, Instagram.
Right.
All right.
And so that way it's fair to everyone, because some people may not have an Instagram, but yet you guys, you know, see us, of course, on YouTube, and, you know, vice versa, whatever. So, even though, no, everybody would have a YouTube, because that's what we're
that's really
right, but if you don't have an Instagram, it's okay, because your chances...
You can win on YouTube as well if you have both platforms, and you can enter on both.
Right.
Okay, so you know, we'll do the YouTube one will be yours. So your bundle on YouTube, here's what your bundle looks like. Your bundle is...
My bundle is my favorite products. Some of my favorite products from the line will be the Flaxseed Curly Custard. All right, and then, of course, I always talk about this one. This is their banana leave-in. This is their lightest leave-in, because they have 2 other ones. They have the avocado one, and then they have the
Irish moss.
The Irish moss. Okay, but this is my favorite. And I'm also going to be in my bundle is going to be this brand new fenugreek detangling pre-poo. And I just did a video on this, and I love this pre-poo. So this will be in LoriAnne's bundle on YouTube.
Yeah, so if you enter on YouTube, these are the products that you can win on YouTube. If you enter in on Instagram, then my bundle is the Flaxseed Curly Custard as well. The Irish Moss Styling Cream, of course, because love the Irish Moss Styling Cream, and the Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner. So these are my 3 products, and you can win this bundle on Instagram. So let's get down to the rules of how you win. Nothing overly complicated, but if you if you want to win LoriAnne's bundle on YouTube, you have to be 1 subscribed to the MAD.CURLS channel, and comment down below, what did we say? Oh, how long you've been natural. So you have to make sure you're subscribed and comment down below how long you've been natural, and we are going to be pulling from those comments.
Right.
And
that's a YouTube winner, right?
That's the YouTube winner.
All right.
And on Instagram, how you can enter on Instagram, there will be an Instagram post that you will see that will look like this. It will pop up somewhere here under this post. You have to make sure that you tag 2 friends on this post. You have to also make sure that you are following MAD.CURLS and Nature's Little Secret on Instagram. We will be checking. and this giveaway will run from Friday, March 6th, and we will pick the winner on Monday, March 9th. We will pick the winner Monday, March 9th, and we will get in contact with you guys. We will, on Instagram, you know, your name will be added. On YouTube, we will comment on your comment. And you have 24 hours to get back to us, or we are picking somebody new.
Right.
So
24 hours.
24 hours.
Yeah.
This is US only. Nature's Little Secrets, coming straight from them, and They didn't say nothing about shipping overseas, so
Right.
U.S. residents only. What else? We haven't done a giveaway in so long. I'm like, what else do we typically say? I should have watched our other videos.
Guys, if you enter these, like, you know that you're like kind of going to be on the lookout, so don't enter and then just like disappear because like we said 24 hours, it's kind of like hard to keep tracking down. People were like shocked, like we pick a winner and then they disappear.
Yeah.
So please make sure that if you enter this that you keep checking back.
Right.
To see if you won or not.
Yeah. And if you don't win, don't be discouraged.
Right,
We have
it's the month of March.
Yeah, we have plenty more giveaways. Every Friday we will be posting a new giveaway, and Nature's Little Secret is the first one up.
Yep.
So, okay. I think that's it.
I think that's it. Let's
All
hold
right.
up all of the giveaway things again.
Nature's Little Secret. And if you're not sure if you want these products, definitely YouTube search M.A.D.CURLS, Nature's Little Secret. Check out our tutorials on these products. We definitely have some, and you can kind of see how they work. We love Nature's Little Secret up in here. So, great products.
Great product.
Great products. All
Okay,
right.
guys.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck. Happy entering. And we'll be seeing
See you in our next video.
you in our next video.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.